Ding New DN1008 T2 Series Automatic Pocket Welting Machine. Ding New Technology Automation, with continuous research and development, has more than 20 patents. Appearance is that streamlined design, elegant and nice. Fully automatic working procedures, high precision and high efficiency. Sewing patterns can be edited easily according to personalized demands. Servo motor drives and controls each procedure accurately. Technology creates a leader in sewing automation.